professional. I'm not a doctor. Today I am going to be shrinking this heat shrink tube on this pill container of mine. This is an everyday carry item that I carry with me every day, and it holds my pills and some other items, basically medication that I feel like you need to carry with you every day. In my case, it's what I feel I should carry, so it'll be different for everybody. The reason why I am placing a heat shrinking tube on this pill container is because when I'm walking and it's on my belt loop with my carabiner and everything else, it tends to bang up against the other metal objects, and it's kind of annoying. It's kind of loud, especially when I'm running. I also want to protect the pills inside, because when I believe that if you heat shrink it with this, it'll act like insulation. So what I'll do is what I use this for is mainly for medication, but you can use these for other items like emergency cash that you can roll up in here and stuff it in there, so for emergency cases like that, it's like cash that you can stash in your bag, in your go bag, and things of that nature. Put cash in here. You can put like waterproof matches in here if you want, things that can fit in here. Those three are mainly the ones that I can think of utilizing this pill container right now. So in my situation, I carry with me medicine. So most important ones are these 325 milligram aspirins, and then of course ibuprofens. I normally carry 3, well, minimum 3, but I do carry 5 in here, and 3 of these, 5 of these, and they'll fit perfect in here. And like maybe another pill, or like 2 of these small low dosage aspirin, because of the recessed portion here in the cap. It can fit these small ones. So yeah, so I like to keep these. This one mainly for in case of stroke, things of that nature, not only for me but for my loved ones. I like to carry it with me, so if an emergency arises, then I can at least have this. I'm no expert, I'm not a doctor. This is just things that I myself feel that I should be carrying, so this is just me. It might be different for you. I would highly suggest that you talk to your physician and to doctors and things like that, and consult with them, see if it's okay or what you should carry or things like that. But for me, this is just my application. So I carry the 3 aspirin, 1 low dosage aspirin. This one was more for a precaution back then, but now my doctor is discouraging me to take this every so often, because it'll thin it out, if you take too many of this, or if you take it on a regular basis. So he's discouraging me from taking this one, but I just put it in here, as a substitute to this if I feel like I don't want to take the full dosage of the aspirin, and I just want clear headache or some kind of pain. I'll try it with this first. So that's mainly what I do. Same thing with the ibuprofen. I carry 5 of these, and this is mainly for just headaches, mainly for me, my family, my loved ones. Just something that I like to have around me in cases like that. So this is mainly what I use it for. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will put this heat shrink sleeve or heat shrink tubing on here, just to soften the blow, so it doesn't make too much of a clanking noise, and besides, it'll make it look good as well. So that's 2 the main reasons why I want it. I want it to look stealthy, because at its form right now, it's kind of flashy, especially when hit with light. I don't know if you can see that, but this matte finish on this tubing on this tubing will help with that stealthiness of it. as well as soften the noise. So what I'll do is just measure it. Try to make it kind of flush, not so much. You don't want it to stick out. So I just go from there and then use a scissor. Make sure it's straight. Cut straight. Simple as that. That's all you do. Then slip this in here. Yeah, so you gotta pick one diameter the same as this. So slip it here. See if I can use it, because you want to be able to turn it, so you want to make sure you hold this with something that won't burn your hand, because it will heat up pretty good because of the material. It's aluminum, but it'll heat up pretty good in here. So what I will do is let me see if I can find something here that I can use. So I use this. Use whatever you can to get the job done. So what I'm using for a heat source in this one is a heat shrink gun. So I guess start up a little bit. You want to be able to turn it, so you want like an even shrinkage. Now you don't want to heat up on a spot too long, because it will burn a hole in it. So you just want to evenly heat up the spots. That's why turning it is very crucial. Alright, so it should be good. There you have it. Just like that. Let it cool off a little bit, because it is hot. Dang, it's hot. So there you go. Simple as that. So this one is an O-ring here. So it's a watertight seal. But you don't want to put it in here now, it'll melt the O-ring. Just kind of wanted to show you that. That's how it'll look like. There you go. Pretty easy, simple, but effective. Really upgrades the look of it. Makes it look stilt, nicer. So yeah, that's it. If you have any suggestions for me, any questions, leave a comment down below, hit a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Alright, so as always, take care. Aloha.